What is up, people? So today we're gonna be replacing the oil on the Q. It's been 3,000 miles since I got this car, and I think it's time for oil change. I always do my oil changes on 3,000 miles just cause you know. Yep, I hit 3,000 mile mark, and my change oil light is on too. So I'm gonna do it cause it's that time. So you guys can see where it says A right down there, I hit 3,000 miles, and the engine light, not engine light, the engine oil sign is on because I set it up like that when I got the car. Before I drove off the lot, I set my 3,000 mile oil change light or reminder or whatever you call it, and now it's finally on. So it's time to go get oil, and we need to do oil change today. So we're gonna open the hood and then check the oil, but I already done that, so I'm not gonna do that right now. But yeah, open the hood and definitely remove the oil cap. Next, I raise the car and put on jack stands because I do not trust the jack. Now we're gonna remove all these bolts underneath, remove the cover. I can't remember how many bolts, but there are many of them, and we gotta remove the bolts and remove this cover. Remove the 10mm bolt with any tools you got. I'm using my electric ratchet, and it's so easy to do. You remove all the bolts, the car should pop out, and you can see the oil pan, the oil filter, and the drain plug. As you guys can see, here's the drain plug, and that's 14mm bolt. Here's the oil filter. I'm gonna keep my oil filter because it's still brand new, and I'm gonna change it next 3,000 miles. So for now, I'm just gonna remove the oil drain plug and drain all the oil out. And it's not that hard. Just use your ratchet, and it should come out. And be careful not to burn yourself. And here it goes. I'm gonna let the oil drain completely, and I'm just gonna fill up my oil drain pan.
Thousand years later.
Now I'm gonna put my drain plug back on and clean up all the mess around my oil pan. And if you change your filter, make sure you clean there too. But in my case, I don't have a clean there. Once you put the drain plug back on, we're gonna leave the oil drain pan right underneath. Once we fill the oil, we can see if there's any leaks or not. And now we're gonna fill up the oil and make sure there aren't any leaks. So I'm going to use full gallon jug, and I'm going to use the dipstick to see how much I need to add more once I'm done. Once you're done pouring oil, check your dipstick and make sure the oil is right. If not, then add more if you need it. Once you're done, put the oil cap back on and start the car and check for any leaks. We're going to start the car and hopefully I don't die. So we're gonna remove this engine oil light. We're gonna reset it. As you guys can see, is 0 now. It's good to go now. Well, hope you guys have a good one. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day. Thanks again for the 200 followers. Love you all. Have a good one. Bye.